So Shokz have just released their latest flagship open-ear headphones, the OpenRun Pro 2. Boasting the latest clever pants bone conduction tech so you can stay aware of your surroundings but still enjoy a jolly good bit of thrash metal. Or your favourite mumbling incompetent semi-cut tech gibbon on YouTube. So let's have a wee gander at the OpenRun Pro 2, see what they're all about. Check out the links in the video description to grab your own, and a massive thanks to Shokz for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! So first up, let's check out what you get in the box. So you've got your user guide type shenanigans, and then the actual headphones come secreted inside of this bundled carry case. And you've also rather helpfully got a charging cable chucked in there. Type A to Type C USB. And the case itself has a proper hard shell. It'll protect your headphones wherever you wander. And you got yourself a lovely soft lining on the inside. Alright, let's check out these bad boys. So the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 come in a pair of sizes. This is the standard, but they also come in a mini option if you've got a smaller sized bonce. And the idea is that you wear them kind of like glasses, except backwards, so around the back of your head instead. As you can see, easy to slip on and nice and comfortable when you are wearing them as well, because they're supremely light. Lovely soft surface as well, so it's easy on your skin. And you got a proper bit of memory wire underneath there as well, so it can hold firm without squeezing your head. So that pressure is evenly distributed, and they are super comfortable to wear, even for hours at a time. Really does just feel like wearing a pair of glasses or sunglasses, but backwards, like one of those weird Americans. But it's a reassuringly stable fit as well. The OpenRun Pro 2s aren't even dislodged by a proper hardcore bit of moshing. I'm not really sure my neck's still up to it these days, but bugger it, mosh test! Oh god, everything's going great. Now Shokz's open ear design means that your lugs are completely unhindered, which is great news if you tend to feel a wee bit claustrophobic having stuff wedged into your ear canals. Or if you find that your lugs tend to ache if you have traditional true wireless earbuds stuffed in there for a good hour or two at a time. And this design also means you can stay completely aware of everything that is happening all around you. So you can avoid being obliterated by cement trucks when you're jogging across roads. Or you can pretend to be actually paying attention to your family when in fact you're really enjoying the latest episode of that cracking murder podcast. Oh, and when you're no longer using the OpenRun Pro 2, you can of course just leave them slapped on your head, because they're comfy and you can still hear everything anyway. Or alternatively, you can slip them off and just dangle them around your neck, which is super convenient and also makes you look proper lush. And I do love that bright, bold orange design as well. It really stands out from the typically white and black headphones you see everywhere these days. It's especially refreshing here in Blighty, where everything is typically rather grey. Oh, and the OpenRun Pro 2s are also IP55 splash resistant, so they won't take a funny turn if you get rained on or you're an exceptionally sweaty individual. Now, to pair your Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 with your smartphone, you'll want to download the Shokz app, available from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And this is incredibly helpful for all kinds of different ways. Not only can you check the exact battery life remaining in your OpenRun Pro 2, you can also choose between a small selection of different EQ modes, get a bit of vocal action on the go if you're enjoying some audiobooks or podcasts, or bass boost if you want a proper bit of rumbly action. You can also quickly and easily update the firmware on your OpenRun Pro 2s. You've got a full in-depth user guide if you need a bit of help with anything. And you can also get involved with a bit of multi-point pairing as well, which is incredibly helpful if you want to be paired up, for instance, to your laptop and your smartphone simultaneously. So right now, for instance, the Shokz are connected to my laptop so I can edit video, but also my Poco phone, so if I receive a call or anything, I can swap to that, take the call in private, and then get straight back to that editing. And the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 boasts a comprehensive set of physical controls as well. So over here on the right edge, you've got a power button as well as volume down and volume up. While over here on the left side, you've got a multi-function button. So a quick tap of that can pause and resume your media. If you double tap, that'll skip you forward a track. And if you triple tap, it'll skip you back a track. That can also be used to answer or reject calls. Now, whatever audio you happen to be enjoying, it's all spaffed into your ears using bone conduction with a bit of Shokz's Smarty Pants dual pitch technology. And one of the main benefits of this, besides the whole environmental awareness factor, is that there's very little leakage involved. So even if you're sat in a quiet environment on a sofa next to someone, you don't have to worry about all that audio leaking out and really annoying them. So the mic is right here, right beneath my head. We're going to get some very loud, very angry, shouty metal on the go. Boost that volume as loud as I can tolerate it. Is the mic picking up anything? Let's put it right next to them. Maybe just about picking up a tiny hint of it. And Shokz's air conduction drivers produce a balanced bit of audio, including respectable bass. Those lows certainly well represented before you even slap on the old bass boost, and you can fully customize the audio output inside the Shokz app. Mess around with a proper equalizer to boost the bass or the treble, whatever you fancy. And for the OpenRun Pro 2, Shokz has stabilized the design even further, which means minimal vibration and therefore very little distortion when you are enjoying a bit of music or whatever. Even when you're absolutely blasting a good bit of drum and bass or some of that fresh EDM that all the kiddies are into. And that distortion has also been further reduced thanks to the upgraded diaphragm.
And great news as well if you actually like to use your smartphone to call people, because the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 buds boast dual built-in mics, and thanks to some clever AI noise cancellation shenanigans, any pesky wind noise, etc. is filtered right out. So make sure you come through loud and clear.
And great news on the battery front as well. No sweat if you're planning on running a marathon or going for a proper full-on hike out in the sticks, because the OpenRun Pro 2s can keep on going for 12 full hours on a single charge. And when they do finally run low on juice, you'll need to plug them in. Thankfully, the USB port has been secreted beneath a handy little flap to help prevent any water or other bits from leaking in there. And you got full fast charge support on the OpenRun Pro 2s as well. Just 5 minutes at the plug, it gives you 2.5 hours of audio action. So no worries if you forget to charge them, you're about to bugger off out for a run. Just slap a cable in there for 5 minutes, you'll be able to run basically a half marathon before they're dead again. As long as you're not a lazy sack of lard like me. Otherwise, just plug them in for an hour and that'll give you a full charge. And that in a tasty wee nutshell, my lovelies, is the fresh new Shokz OpenRun Pro 2. A proper bright pair of open-ear bone conduction headphones, ideal for when you're out and about and you want to stay aware of everything that's going on. As I say, don't forget to check out the link in the video description to snaffle your own pair of snazzy bright orange headwear. Let us know down in the comments what you reckon, and a massive thanks again to Shokz for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Please do subscribe, ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everybody, love you!